Hello YouTube, it's Andrew here from Second Tick NZ. Got another mystery lot in today. I think there should be about 40 watches in here. It should be a good one. Now before we get into the video, please subscribe, like the video, comment if you wish. I hate asking, but you know, that's how the algorithm works, we all know it. Yeah, let's get into it. First up, look at that. Timex Electric Dynabeat. That is in really nice condition. It's running. Nice leather strap on there. Beautiful. I think the glass needs a bit of a clean on the inside, or the crystal. But I know some of these Timexes are front load cases. That might be a little bit difficult. I don't have a crystal lift yet, but very cool. That's awesome. Right. Oh, got a couple in here. What have we got? Casio Illuminator Databank. Cool. $30, $40, something like that. And we have Baby G. This looks, what's that? BG 2000. Looks like an older one to me. Pretty cool. Baby G's I get about $30 for, generally. Okay, Citizen Freeway. 10-year batteries. That might be a CR battery. This doesn't say Citizen, funnily enough, it just says Freeway. But it is part of the Citizen watch group. Nice strap. Good shape. That's good. Right, next up. Right, what have we got here? Salvicchio. Oh, this is solar. Look, it's ticking away. There it goes. Solar titanium. I'm going to guess it's going to need a capacitor. Yeah, titanium, that's quite cool. I love solar watches. I think they're fantastic. So, there we go. Salvicchio. A bit of a roll so far. Okay, what's next? Anna Christina. It's obviously a dual time, but the glass is cracked on this one. So, not sure what we'll do about that. Those square or rectangle crystals are hard to find. Alright, Citizen automatic, and it's running. Cool. What does that say on the dial there? Adorex. That's perspex or plastic, I think, so we can probably give that a good polish. There's some deep scratches, so it might take a bit. Is it? That might be glass. It's hard to tell. Is it original strap? Can't tell. I feel like it's not. But it's a nice strap. Probably a 35mm, I'd say. Day date. Let's see if the day date works. Yes. Yes. Perfect. That's nice. Happy with that one. Alright, next up. We have, I guess, Citizen Former in very nice condition. Nice strap. Oh, look at that, it's actually a clasp, but it's adjustable, so it slides on the bracelet. Very cool. So what does that do? That goes like, oh yeah, bit of an interesting design. Yeah, nice watch that. Looks 36mm to me. Right, next up. Oh, this one has been taped to the max. Open. Okay. What have we got here? Skagen, Denmark. Bracelet's a little bit stretched there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little. But otherwise, it's in really nice condition. And I might see if the wife wants it. That looks like it'd be right up her alley. Little gems around it too. Cool. What's next? G-Shock. It appears to be working. Okay, and set. That's the light. No. I'll have to play around with that one. That's pretty clean. What model have we got? AW590. Cool. I like that. That might even stay with me. I've got two G-Shocks. But never have too many, right? Alright. Another one that's all wrapped up. How do we open you? Open sesame. Come on. Okay, what have we got? Can you focus? Valentine's. Ah, Scotch. Valentine's Scotch whiskey. Shame it's so small. It's definitely like a lady's size. Also looks to be made by Seiko. Look at that model number there, Y1316620. I would say that is made by Seiko. Come on, focus. Yeah, cool. Alright, we've got one more that's wrapped up, and then the rest of these are all loose. I'm guessing they're the not so exciting stuff. This one is well wrapped. Jesus. Come on. Ooh. Okay. Casio Wave Scepter. Solar. Very nice condition. That is awesome. Be a JDM model looking at that. Very nice. I like that. I don't know if that band would be big enough for me. Yeah. Happy with that one. Right. Work our way through the rest of these. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's upside down. No name. No name. Nothing special. Okay, Citizen Junction. It's actually in not too bad a shape. Yeah, that's like a 33mm type thing. Can you focus? Focus, there we go. No. Focus, there we go. Delisi's, that is Merriman, which I think also might be part of Citizen Group. That strap is destroyed, but the watch itself looks okay. Nothing crazy, but yeah, something. 10-15 bucks. Right, what have we got here? 24 hours demands, France, water resist. That's pretty cool. See that on the back there? It's a nice shape. Ah, that's kind of cool. Nixon. I do love a Nixon. Mod Surf the Quad. As beat up as this NATO is. It's quite a cool NATO. Definitely well worn. Whoop. Didn't put it click on the watch properly, did I? That is quite cool. I'm going to guess that's about, I don't know, what is that, $80? Do we think that's $80? It's very cool. Is it like a cricket theme or a golf theme? I don't know. There's a theme to this, and it's sporting. But yeah, that's cool. I like that. Alright, just a clean, no-name quartz. No-name, strap's good. I think if that runs, I'll probably put that up for sale. It's in good shape. Nice, clean, classic design. Right, this is running. This is Vega. Is that? It's either Seiko or Citizen. I can't remember which one it is. Looking at the model code on the back, if you can see that. There we go. I'm going to say Citizen. Looking at that. Strap's a little bit past it, but that works. The time's not right. I need to set the time. See that it keeps time. It's got some wear and tear. But cool. But it's still a classy little tank watch. Gemin. That is nothing flash, but still it's modern, fashion, classy. Old ladies script, which is J-axis. Needs it clean on the inside. See if it runs. Yeah. Okay, and no name. What's the back say? No ever. Okay, well, it's clean. I think with a nice strap that someone might want that. Another baby G. BG30, I've had a BG30 before. Cool. Hilton. I've had a Hilton watch before as well, it didn't work. So I haven't actually sold one yet. This looks like it's had a battery leak, looking at how foggy that glass is. The last one I had a Swiss movement, so that might be the same. Alright. Seiko Alba. Missing the battery thingy. And this is a one piece. This is junk. This is junk. Can't do anything with that. Ah, this might be the battery compartment for it. Sure is. Yeah. Okay, cool. We've got one that's wrapped up. We get into it. There we go. Focus. No name. Japan movement watch. Doesn't get much simpler than that. Not convinced on this new light, guys. If the camera's struggling to focus. Japan movement watch. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Just a classy seiko. Brown leather, and it's even a seiko strap. It's got seiko on the buckle. V701. Just classy. Nice. Same as the watch we got before. Okay. Two of them. Okay. Anne Klein. Anne Klein actually sells quite well. That's in reasonable shape. It's all there. That works. Probably 30 bucks. 20, 30 bucks, something like that. Alright. What is this? J-axis. I personally think that is ugly as fuck. Oh, I shouldn't swear. Ugly as, but someone might want it. There's no accounting for taste, right? Stop it. Another seiko. Is it a seiko strap? No. Still just another clean, like tidy seiko. Strap's in good shape. Looks good. Nice. Script, that'll be J-axis. Yep. Strap is actually okay. It's just a bit bent up. Bambi 16. That's okay. It's just a simple, nice watch. Alright, what's this one? Oh, it's got a date. Alright. Ungaro, Paris. That's pretty classy. Emmanuel Ungard, Paris. 872 model number. Strap's in good shape. And that's quite nice, actually. And the last watch, guys, is a Freeway Citizen Watch Company. Strap is in reasonable shape. Looks nice. Cool. Right. That is all for today. Just another reminder to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your favourite watch from this lot is. I think my favourite is the Timex Electric Dynabeat. That is very cool. I love vintage watches. And the Nixon. I think that Nixon just looks, there's something about that looks really cool. But yeah, let me know your favourite, and we will see you in the next one.